Can an innocuous dance video with your colleague be termed as a form of jihad? It may sound ridiculous, but that's exactly how some people are reacting to a viral dance video of two medical students from Kerala. It is hard to believe that some people can even give communal color to dance, but the young bloods have decided to fight off this communalism and how. It all began with two medical students of Kerala's Thrissur Medical College, Janaki Om Kumar and Naveen Razak. On 23rd of March, Naveen had uploaded a video on his Instagram where Janki and he can be seen dancing to the song Rasputin by Euro-Caribbean band Bonnie M as part of the popular Rasputin challenge that is sweeping social media across the world. The video soon went viral, garnering over 6 lakh likes, and both the medical students were praised for their attempt to lift the spirits amid the COVID-19 pandemic. However, it was a matter of time that the attempt was given a communal angle, and with a section of people called it dance jihad because Razak's Muslim background. A Kerala High Court lawyer, Advocate Krishna Raj, in a Facebook post said, "I smell something wrong here. Janki's parents should be careful. And if they are careful, they won't have to be sorry later." Raj also referred to another case where a dentistry student allegedly changed her name from Nimisha to Fatima after marrying a Muslim man and later left the country to join ISIS. His post has been since shared several times on social media, but the youth of Kerala were not going to accept the communal remarks. So, the medical students across Kerala came together in solidarity with Janki and Naveen and started posting their videos of dancing to the tune of Rasputin. These videos have since been reshared on Twitter under the hashtag #StepWithRasputin and have also been collated on Instagram by student political organization SFI's Cochin University of Science and Technology wing. Shashi Tharoor, Congress MP from Thiruvananthapuram, also praised the students for their creative show of solidarity. In a Twitter thread on Friday, Tharoor said, "These kids deserve applause and encouragement. Instead of the Hindutva venom being spewed at them because of their different religions, they oozed both talent and comradeship, the best of young India, and they will make empathetic doctors one day." Meanwhile, when asked about the communal turn to the innocuous video, Naveen Razak said that he is not bothered by it because we are the new generation.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call startup stories. It is our curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free.
First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members, You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs.
So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.